am Yamini, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about basic programming in Java, and then this is for second unit. She is explained 5 stages of DT video and explaining basis of Java programming. C is explained in data type, C is explained in variable, C is explained in operators, he is explained in control structures. These informations are briefly explained by Mentee students.
I'm Varshashri J from second CSCC. So let's inculcate our topic with the design thinking strategy. So there are 5 pillars in design thinking. First one is empathize, second one is define, third one is ideate, fourth one is prototype, and fifth one is testing. So let me start with the basics of the Java programming. Java is the high-level and object-oriented programming language. It was developed by Sun Microsystems later. It was acquired by Oracle Corporation. Java is platform independent and follows write once, run anywhere. It is widely used for web, mobile, and desktop applications. Java programs are executed using the Java Virtual Machine (JVM). The Java Development Kit (JDK) is used to develop Java programs. The Java Runtime Environment (JRE) is used to run Java applications. Java supports primitive and non-primitive data types. Variables are used to store values in memory. Java provides operators for performing calculations and comparisons. Control statements like if, for, and while are used for decision making and looping. Arrays are used to store multiple values of the same type. Java supports methods and constructors for code reusability and object initialization. It also supports object-oriented concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shalini. Let's move to the topic of data types. Data types are the important concept in programming and data structures because they define the data type of the variable can store. A data type specifies the size, range, and operations that can be performed on the data. They help the computer allocated memory efficient and ensure that the program works correctly. Common primitive data types include int for integers, float for decimal numbers, char for characters, and boolean for true or false values. By using appropriate data types, programming can improve the accuracy, efficiency, and performance of a program. In data structures, the programming data types are mainly classified into primitive and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types are basic types provided by the programming language, while non-primitive data types includes array, data structures, unions, linked lists, stacks, queries, and organizing and processing data efficiently. They also help in error checking and making the program easier to understand and maintain. Therefore, choosing the correct data type is essential for developing reliable and efficient software applications.
Good morning everyone, I am Priyadashni from second year CSCC. Today I am here to explain about the topic variables. Variables are named storage locations in a computer's memory used to store data and values during program execution. They act as containers that hold information such as numbers, characters, words, or other data types, and the stored value can change whenever needed. Each variable has a specific name and data type that determines the kind of data it can store. Variables help programmers perform calculations, process information, and control program flow efficiently. They are fundamental components of programming and are used in almost every program to make the code flexible, organized, and dynamic. That's it. Thank you.
Myself Vashni, I am second CSCC. I am going to give some concept about operators. Operators are symbols or functions used to perform operations on values or variables called operands. They are commonly used in mathematics, logic, and computer programming to carry out calculations, comparisons, and logical actions. Arithmetic operators such as multiplication, division, subtraction, etc. are used for basic calculations, while logical and comparison operators help in decision-making processes. Operators make calculations easier, faster, and more systematic by producing a result after performing a specific operation. There are several types of operators classified into arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, bitwise operators, conditional operators, etc. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Saran. Today I am going to explain about control structures in Java. Control structures are used to control the flow of execution in Java program. What are control structures? Control structures decide how the program will execute step by step. They help the program make decisions, repeated tasks, and control the execution flow. In Java, control structures are mainly divided in three types: selection statement, iteration statement, and jump statement. Uh, Selection statements are used for decision making. The program choose different actions based on condition. Examples are if statement, if else statement, and switch statement. Then move to iteration statement. Iteration statements are used to repeat a block of code multiple times. These are also called loops. The main looping statements in Java are for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Then move to jump statements. Jump statements are used to transfer control from one part of the program to another. The important jump statements are break, continue, and return. The conclusion are control structures are very important in Java programming. They help in decision making, looping, and controlling program execution efficiently. Understanding control structures is essential for writing effective Java programs. Thank you.
My mentee students are explained in design thinking based learning approach. In design thinking based learning approach, C is explained basic of Java programming, C is explained data type, C is explained variable, she is explained operator, he is explained control structures. All the informations are explained very good and very nice. Thank you.